What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2014 Chevy Suburban, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and how to install your aftermarket double din radio. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and jump into it. What I like to do is take my flat profile. You can also use your panel removal tool, but you need something a little bit thinner to get into this corner. I like to start at the top right, and now that I have that open, now I will go to my panel removal tool and start coming down the side. Let's try coming up here real quick. There we go. See if I can use my hand down here to use some light pressure. Yep. Now this part is very flimsy, so before I get over there, I definitely want to pop this one off first. All right, now that part at the bottom, I'm coming back with my low profile. There we go. Held in by clips, got that off. Now that we got that off, we literally have 1, 2, 3 7 mils on the right, 1, 2, 3, oh I'm sorry, 4 7 mils on the right, 4 7 mils on the left. Looks like somebody already tried to take this out once. Now that that's out, pull that out, go to the side, pull that out, go to the side, pull that out, and we have our radio. Alright guys, so we just connected the harnesses, got our factory radio out. Now let's take this thing over here to the bench and prep our new double din. Alright, so for our dash kit, we're using the Scosche GM 1598. There's a Metro version as well. I think it's like the 3305, whichever way. I'll put both of those links in the description for you. But what you want to make sure is that this part is up. It's the one that's actually lifted up. That's going to go at the top. The one that's flat is going to go at the bottom, because if you remember, or you can rewind back, everything stacks on top of each other, so it can be flush in that dash kit. So you make sure that that's like that. These are our side pieces. There's no left and there's no right, for real. You just want to put them in right along that edge. You just kind of squeeze them together. All right, so now that we got both of those on, I'm go ahead and do the other side. We're gonna lift this straight up, and we're just gonna slide that down. All right, so now we have that in. Now we just want to take the screws that came with the radio, and we want to put them in right here. I usually do 2 on each side, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw those in. All right, so we have 2 on that side, we have 2 on that side. It's looking pretty nice. Let's just go ahead and get that thing in the car, wire up our radio, run our Bluetooth, and we'll be done. So I got everything wired up. We're about to go ahead and put this back in. I've already flashed my maestro, got everything tested tape, so it's looking all nice. Now, people who are already subscribed, you guys already know why I didn't actually go over the wiring. But this is your first time tuning in, you're probably thinking, why didn't you go over the wiring? Well, I have over 100 radio removal and install videos to help you guys, and I'm not gonna wire up the radio every single time because it's mainly the same. But I do have a bunch of videos to show you how to wire up a radio. I will put those in the description and in the cards in the corner. So people who already know how to install a radio, you get what you need with the radio removal. And for the people who don't know how to install a radio, you can just hit that card in the corner and then watch how to install a radio. So other than that, now that I got that all done, let's go ahead and put this thing in and see what it looks like. All right, let me turn this up. So I will turn that on. All right, so that's basically what it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna do my testing before I actually put my panel back on. But when you put the panel on, it's gonna be nice and flush like that. Once I actually snap it in, I gotta finish my testing. Don't want to put it all the way back together. But this is what I was telling you, that it kind of overlaps itself. So you want to make sure that this part's at the top and that flat part's at the bottom, because this goes over the top of that. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Till the next time, this your boy JP signing out. Finish all these testing.